Sir, yung sinabi ko pong the oil companies are raking 3 billion pesos per day. Nandun po yung DOE. I was expecting the DOE to check. Ang DepDep po, ang aming anticipation, at the very least, kasi po, 2 weeks after the war broke out in the Middle East, 2 weeks lang po, the prices of diesel lang po to, increased from 55 to 125, or an increase of 70 pesos. That's 127%. DOE was unable to explain it. The oil companies present are not willing to explain it. Why? DepDep cannot even look at it. Ang sinasabi ko po, kayo ang national economic architect. Kayo po dapat ang nakakaalam. You are in a position to view the economy as a whole. Kami po sa legislative lang po kami. Hirap din kami. But you have the power, you have the mandate to look at it from a better point of view. Halimbawa po yung sinasuggest nila, well, hindi po namin maiiwasan to expect that the oil companies will use the replacement cost. Sir, I understand that. But I was asking them, what is the appropriate time when this replacement cost should be utilized? 2 weeks pa lang po eh. The President said at the beginning of the discussion, we have 50 to 60 days, meaning at least 2 months ang stock natin. And I assume those stock were purchased at a lower cost, kaya nga 55 pesos per liter. Naging 125 after 2 weeks. I was asking for an explanation why it was so. Explanation lang naman po eh. Mr. Chair, ang mga tao ngayon nagigipit. Gipit na gipit. Nagsisikip pa yung dibdib kasi hindi maintindihan bakit naman po 55 naging 125. I think we owe them an explanation. If you can explain it to me, I will help you explain to our people. Pag na-explica po natin at naintindihan nila, baka yung sikip ng dibdib, yun man lang matanggal natin sa kanila. That is the whole point. Ano po ibig ko sabihin? Ito po yung last price, ito po yung old price, biglang nagkaroon ng replacement cost. Will not Deb, for example, compute? What is the precise point where we can allow the oil companies to utilize the replacement cost? Hindi pa po ganun dapat ang tanong. Like an ordinary business enterprise would probably equate it to the EOQ, economic order quantity, which is the square root of 2 times D times S over H. Alam po ninyo yun eh.